everyone, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we'll be solving reading comprehension, which is going to be comparatively easier than the one that we had done in the last class. See, what I was doing was I took the question paper of CLAN itself from the previous year, and I thought that that would be the best way to teach. But then what I did not understand was that paper is very difficult for somebody who is not able to understand the basics of comprehension itself. And the most important skill while solving a comprehensive passage is that you should be able to understand what's written in the entire passage. And those passages in the question paper of CLAN are very technical and they've been borrowed from articles that have been published. But this one that you're seeing right now on your screen is based on a story, or it's fictionally made up one, so it will be better or easier for you to understand this one, right? So let's start, and I'll also keep on explaining side by side what's written, and I'll try to keep in mind to underline the word that I think would be difficult for you to understand. We were standing on the bridge trying to catch some fish for supper when a small red plane flew almost directly above our heads. ठीक है, so it's saying कि हम लोग ब्रिज पे खड़े थे, ठीक है, a lot of people, not just one, we says more than one people, so हम लोग ब्रिज पे खड़े थे कुछ मछली पकड़ने की कोशिश में, and we'll have it for supper. supper कहते हैं शाम के वक्त जो हल्का फुल्का छोटा सा स्नैक या नाश्ता जो करते हैं उसे supper कहते हैं. अच्छा, now that we have learned supper, I'll also give you an additional information, which is breakfast or lunch के बीच के टाइम पे अगर आप कुछ भी खाते हैं, that is counted as your brunch. Okay, brunch. And these days there are a lot of people who do not have breakfast, rather they wake up so late that it is considered as brunch itself. ठीक है, they will try it. So these people जो ब्रिज पे खड़े थे वो फिश पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे ताकि वो सफर कर सके. एंड उसी दौरान एक छोटा सा रेड प्लेन उनके लगभग सर के ऊपर से उड़कर पार होता है, right? We could even see the pilot's face. मतलब वो इतने नजदीक था कि वो पायलट का चेहरा तक देख सकते थे. What on earth is he up to? I asked. I felt rather annoyed. ठीक है, अब वो जो उस उन्हीं लोगों में से यहाँ पर we mentioned था, which denotes more than one person. So one of that person, or the narrator itself, the one who is sharing this story, is saying कि वो करना क्या चाहता है. What on earth is he up to? इसका वो literal meaning नहीं है कि वो इस पृथ्वी पे क्या करना चाहता है, नहीं. It's a idiom और it's a phrasal verb जिसका मतलब होता है कि आखिर वो करना क्या चाहता है. ठीक है, ये narrator पूछते हैं and he felt rather annoyed. उनको चिढ़ होता है. Annoyed भी you should note down in your book or copy. Obviously, meaning I think it's a rather easier word to understand. But still, if you do not understand, make sure कि आप लिख लें और बाद में इसका मीनिंग सर्च कर लें. Right, then we have, I think he's in trouble, Jack said. His engine is making a strange noise. Then the other person who was standing with the narrator, called Jack, it says that maybe the pilot शायद वो किसी के खतरे में है. Also, उसका जो प्लेन का इंजन है वो एक अजीब तरह की आवाज निकालता है. ठीक है, it's making a strange noise. Then the narrator says, well, we can't do anything, can we? The narrator says कि हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते, क्या कर सकते हैं? Okay. Now this one that you are seeing here, can we, इसको we call question tag. ठीक है, end में when we try to affirm our question or our statement, then that, and last में जब हम ये add करते हैं ना, then that's called a question tag. We can't even phone from here. We were on a boating holiday and we were miles from the nearest town. अब narrator कहते हैं कि यहाँ से तो हम लोग किसी को contact भी नहीं कर सकते, किसी को call भी नहीं कर सकते, you know, in order to call for help, because they were, Jack and the narrator were on a boating holiday. वो holiday पे थे, and जो सबसे करीबी town था जहाँ से they would have probably called, वो भी काफी दूर था. It was miles away. Next we have, we can follow the plane down the river. Jack says कि we can follow the plane. हम लोग plane को ही follow कर सकते हैं. Okay, come on, let's go. I must admit I liked the idea. जरूर मानेंगे कि नैरेटिव को ये आइडिया अच्छा जरूर लगा. There weren't many fish in that part of the river, and I was bored. The narrator is saying that the spot at which they were fishing, it did not have a lot of fish, and the narrator was rather bored, so he decided to go along with Jack's plan. We dropped our fishing lines and ran towards our boat. ठीक है, after that हम लोगों के हाथ में जो fishing rods या line थी, उसको वहीं पर छोड़कर वो लोग अपनी boat की तरफ दौड़ते. It lay under some bushes about 100 yards down the river. And then the narrator says, the boat was lying under the bushes, which saw yards just a few meters away from the river. Luckily, the engine started almost at once, and soon we were rolling down the river. The narrator is saying कि engine luckily बहुत जल्दी start हो गया and very soon they were roaring down the river. वो river में आगे बढ़ रहे थे, following the plane. But can the pilot land here? I asked Jack. Then the narrator asks Jack, क्या ये pilot यहाँ पर land भी कर सकता है? Is there a place? He came to this part of the country for a holiday almost every year and he knew the area well. Narrator ये कह रहे हैं कि वो country के इस part में almost हर साल holiday या छुट्टियां मनाने के लिए आते थे. And वो इस area को, इस जगह को बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते. There's a lake about 15 miles down the river, Jack said. If the pilot really is in trouble, he'll probably try to land there. ठीक है? अब जैक कहता है कि यहाँ से लगभग 15 मील दूर एक लेक है और अगर पायलट सच में किसी किस्म की परेशानी में है तो वो प्रॉब्ली उसी लेक के आसपास लैंड करने की कोशिश करेगा. The river was already become wider. We went round a bend and there was the lake in front of us. Narrator says कि जैसे जैसे वो आगे बढ़ रहे थे, नदी और चौड़ा, river और चौड़ा होते जा रहा था. And then they took a bend, a turn, and lake उनके सामने था. Can you see anything? Jack asked. Jack पूछता है कि if the narrator is able to see a thing. I looked across the lake. No, absolutely nothing, I replied. And then after looking across and around the lake, narrator replied करने की नहीं, कुछ भी नजर नहीं आ रहा. Wait a minute, there's something in the water near that island in the middle. It was the small red plane. And then as soon as the narrator says कि नहीं कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा, right then he thinks that he saw something in the water. कि एक मिनट रुको जरा, पानी में कुछ है, बस आइलैंड के पास, उसके बीच में. And वो चीज जो उनको नजर आ रहा था narrator को, it was none other than the small red plane, जिनको वो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ब्रिज पे देखते हैं जो उनके ठीक सर के ऊपर से गुजरता है. We raced across the take. Sorry, it's written take here, but it should be lake. Okay. यहाँ पर take लिखा है, but it should be lake. I'll try to write. It's going to be a bit difficult. Visit the cursor. Although I do not think it's very important that I write down the spelling of lake, बताने से भी काम चल ही रहा है. ठीक है, we raced across the lake. By the time we reached the island, the pilot, a very young woman, was sitting on top of the plane. And then the narrator and his friend Jack race across the lake, and जैसे ही वो वहां तक जब तक पहुंचते हैं, we see a very young woman pilot there, and जो कि plane के top में बैठा. Hi, she called out to us. Thanks for coming to help me. I'm sorry to disturb you while you were fishing. Anyway, would you like some fish for the supper? Now, as soon as the young woman pilot saw these two people approaching her, she says hi and also thanks them for coming to help her, and also apologizes for disturbing them while they were fishing. And then she asks, anyway, would you like to have some fish for the supper? Again, supper का मतलब क्या है? I hope you understand and remember. Supper means शाम का नाश्ता, right? What's happening? It's not scrolling down. Hi, she called out to us. Okay, this will be a friend. She reached into the plate and pulled out a large fish. There's plenty more in here, she said, laughing. Okay, उसके बाद after asking the narrator and his friend that would they like to have some fish for supper. She reaches inside the plane and pulls out a large fish. And then she says कि यहाँ पर और भी कई सारे हैं. There's plenty more in here. She said laughing. Right? So यहाँ पर passage खत्म हो जाता है. It's a very small, simple, easy to understand passage. अच्छा लास्ट में here जब हम देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे narrator जो है narrator sorry not narrator the young woman pilot she is laughing why it shows her courage कि even in this dire situation when she is in the middle of the lake on top of a plane and her plane has most probably gone kharab she's still not scared and also another thing that she took her time to call for help. She knew that there's something wrong with her plane and she gave an indication to those two people who were fishing on the bridge, the narrator and his friend Jack. Okay? Okay, find these words and phrases in the text. What dash is he up to? In trouble, bored, bent, raised, and disturbed. This one though, it's very easy, na? I also explained this one. Yeah, well, what on earth is he up to? This one, if you see, you'll even be able to understand. See right here, I've underlined that as well. Okay. Stop. Stop. Oh God. What's happening? Just a second, I'll try to. See, it's very difficult to navigating using the. And sometimes it goes just a bit more, not a lot, just a bit. See, here it is. What on earth is he up to? Okay, this is the word that you will ask to find. Next, let's move on. This is a very simple exercise that you have to do. You have to find the words in the text itself. So you can find all of these words very easily in the text. Now you have to choose the right meaning. Bigger and not interested to be are we missing something? Maybe yes. Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, see. Okay, let's understand. This exercise asks you to find these words that are written here in the passage, and then after you found those words, you have to match them with its meaning, right? So सबसे पहला वाला we have found already. What on earth is he up to? इसका meaning let's find. It's written very clearly here. What is he trying to do? ये हम आपको explain करते वक्त भी समझाए थे कि इसका मतलब होता है कि आखिर वो करना क्या चाह रहा है, right? This is the meaning. Next we have in trouble. In trouble means having difficulty, right? आप उसको passage में खुद find कर लेना. Here we are. Next we have bored. Bored is not interested. This is the closest meaning that we can find. Wider. Wider will be bigger. This is okay. We are not trying to find the exact meaning here. ठीक है अगर exact meaning लिखा है तब तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. और अगर exact meaning नहीं लिखा है तो you have to find the closest one जो सबसे ज़्यादा मेल खा रहा है उसको करना. Then we have the word bend. Now bend goes for this one. The river was not straight. Then we have raised. Raised का meaning होगा bent quickly. And disturbed would mean interrupt. See this was a very easy exercise. And I think that following these kinds of simple comprehension passages, it will become much more easier to understand and develop the right skills that are required to, solve the passage. And अगर ये simple वाले passage ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, पायलट के पेपर्स को यू कैन पिक, क्लैट के पेपर्स को यू कैन पिक, कैट जो मैनेजमेंट का एग्जाम होता है, यस, उसमें भी यू हैव कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, सो आप उसके पेपर्स को आप जितने भी चाहे कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, यू विल नॉट बी फेसिंग एनी डिफिकल्टी. Okay, next exercise we have here, choose the right answer. Okay, these are variables. When the plane flew over their heads, Jack and his friend were having supper, fishing, doing nothing. क्या कर रहे थे? If you have understood the passage clearly now, you will be just able to answer this in the right one go. कि जब plane उनके सर से ऊपर से गुजर रहा है, वो क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे? क्या वो सफर करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे? नहीं. They were trying to catch fish ताकि वो सफर भी कर सके. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर होगा fishing. वो फिशिंग कर रहे थे ताकि वो सफर कर सके. ठीक है? They were not exactly doing suffer. Next we have Jack said, I think the pilot's in trouble because A, the plane was making a strange noise. B, they could see the pilot's face, or C, the plane was very low. So क्या आंसर है? क्या ये था कि पायलट का चेहरा दिख रहा था इसलिए they thought कि प्लेन में कोई गड़बड़ है, या पायलट किसी मुसीबत में है, या फिर प्लेन काफी नीचे फ्लाई कर रहा था इसलिए उनको लगा कि पायलट किसी मुसीबत में है, या फिर प्लेन से कोई अजीब सी आवाज आ रही थी इसलिए उनको लगा कि वो मुसीबत में है. So option A is the correct one. The plane was making strange noise. Next we have